Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who doesn't know me, my name is joyerroja and you're watching Joy's Diaries. So today I have to show you what I got in my hand right here. This is from Huda Beauty Nude palette. So first of all, before I show you what's inside of this palette, and before anything else, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and click the notification button just so you're always notified whenever I have new videos. So let's get straight to the point. I haven't seen this palette yet. I want you and I would see it together. And so when you open this beautiful nude palette, it's an acetate box. Ooh, it's so pretty. The palette is kind of like a box type material, but I mean a carton material, but it's fine. I'm not complaining. There you go. And are you ready? Ooh, these are the colors. It's so beautiful. Let me quickly just put it back right here. Let me quickly read you what's inside. So it has 18 gorgeous shades ranging from cool to warm tones, including 10 buttery mattes, 4 multi-reflective shadows, 2 pressed glitters, 1 pressed pearl for a velvety shine. Guys, it has 1 concealer base to make your eyeshadow pop. Not only the eyeshadow in this palette, it also has a concealer. Oh, I think it's this one. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try this on. Come on. So enough blubbering. Let's start right now. Right, so I have done my I cannot talk today. So I already have done my brows and shaped it. I haven't touched my skin and the eyeshadows yet. That's what I'm gonna show you today. First of all, I'm going to dip my brush to the concealer. Make sure it's all applied well. Otherwise, your eyeshadow will look patchy. Make sure it's even all over. So I have this MAC 224 and I'm gonna be using the shade right here, Play. One thing I noticed though, when I dip my brush, there's a lot of fallouts on the palette. Over time, it's a bit annoying because it will transfer to the other colors. And it's not that very pigmented, guys. I don't know. Can you see? It's a bit washed out. Let me try on the other eyes. But anyhow, I'm just gonna keep on continue. I don't want to judge too early yet, you know? So I'm going back and forth with this same shade called Play to my eyelid. I notice there's no fallouts on my face, which is good. So the next shade I'm going to use is Teddy, and I'm gonna switch my brush using this MAC 217. So under the transition color again. Ooh, now it's really becoming pigmented. So the next shade that I'm going to use is, I think I'm going to use the Spank using my Sigma Blending E25 brush. So I'm gonna deepen up the color using my Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush. And using these, trying to pick which color. Okay, Love Bite. So I'm going to use this beige cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna dip it on the concealer part of the palette, and I'm going to cut my crease like so. Guys, I'm not really a big fan of the concealer, cream that she has, because it's, as you can see, it starts to crease on my lid, and which is not a good sign. I think it's too buttery. The consistency is not really, that pretty. Now we move on to the glittery part, the cute and fun part in this tutorial. So using my eye shading brush from Sigma E55, and I'm going to use Daydream. This color is very, very beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty, guys. Okay, let me use my finger because I think it's more effective. Look at that. Wow. Just blows me away. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. This color is amazing. Oh. Okay, so now I move on to the Huda Beauty Liquid Foundation. I'm in the shade of Butter Pecan, but what I know is this is my tan shade. As you know, quarantine life. I don't go out under the sun that often. This foundation is super high coverage. And one thing, guys, as a makeup artist, that's why I have a lot of this stuff. As a makeup artist, you need to invest to a good quality of products. This is going to be your full-time job, and investment of good products is a must. Okay, now if you're just starting, just slowly build your inventory of products. Once I got my diploma from London College of Makeup, then I'm qualified for a MAC Pro card, which is I get 50% discount of all their products. I love MAC, but I'm open to use other products as well. When you put a foundation, try to apply it as evenly as possible. This is the biggest, part of your face. Skin is the biggest part of your face, so might as well focus more on that. Next is the concealer from MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade of NC30. I am going to conceal the under eye like so, and bring it down and form a triangle shape. What I'm going to do now is a reverse contouring, because since my foundation is a bit darker than my natural color, so I'm gonna reverse it. I'm gonna take this small beauty blender, tap the excess, like so. If there is any harsh line, I just go back with a brush and blend it. So you see the difference? This looks lifted, and I have the contour right here, done on the other side. Did you see it? I did not do any dark contouring, but I reverse contour. So that's how you do when your foundation is darker than your shade. Okay, this is a pro tips and tricks. Okay, and now we move on to the lower lash line makeup. So I have this Morphe E36 brush right here. Then I'm going to use Teddy and apply it on the outer corner of your lid, like so, and bring it inward. Try to connect from your top eyeshadow, because it will look weird, guys, if it's not connected. And then using the same brush, I'm going to grab this spank just to deepen up the colors. Sigma short shader brush, E20. So I'm gonna dip my brush to Love Bite and on the outer corner of your lower lid. Now I'm going to move on with baking using this Laura Mercier translucent powder, my all-time favorite baking powder, using the damp beauty blender right here. So I'm just gonna bake my under eye like so. Next product that I'm gonna be using is Medium Plus from MAC. Then swirl your brushes and pack it with the powder, and just quickly buff it to your foundation. I have this Huda bronzer right here. Just I want to bronze my face all over. Then I'm going to use this Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. And I'm going to use the shade in the middle using my Sigma large angle contour brush. Tap the excess. Just gonna contour my face like so. Now I am going to dip my beauty blender in this translucent powder right here, and I'm going to bake. So now we move on to the blush using my MAC 113, and I have this Makeup Revolution blush palette right here, and I'm just going to like grab this shade right here, tap the excess, just lightly on the apples of your cheek, like so. So I'm gonna, this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Nicole Guerrero highlighting glow kit. I'm just gonna quickly line my eyes using this Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly line my lips using this Diaries lip pencil from MAC. using this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade of Wifey. Okay, so this lipstick is it's too nude for my liking. So I'm just gonna layer it with MAC Please Me matte lipstick. Girl. Then I'm gonna top it off with lip gloss from MAC Cream Sheen Glass in the shade of Delight. I'm gonna apply a eyelashes on, spray some Fix Plus, and I'll show you the final look. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you liked the makeup tutorial that I did for you. So let me give you my thoughts about this palette. Okay, it is overall, it is amazing. I love the consistency of the glitter, especially the glitters right here. With the concealer, like cream right here, I'm not really a big fan. It's a no-no, but then again, you're buying the eyeshadow. This is just a bonus. If the consistency is good, then I will give it a 10. But right now, I will give it a whopping 9.5. So it is still amazing. I love this palette. I'm going to use it. I love Huda Beauty products. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And have you subscribed? If not, please do so. And click the notification button just so you're always notified whenever I have new videos. So, okay, that's it guys. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you to my next video.